Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation video guide for the NXBLE-63 residual current operated circuit breaker. Before we begin, disconnect the power supply, wear insulating gloves and protective goggles. The necessary tools include wire strippers, crimping tools, wires of appropriate specifications, wire lugs, electric screwdrivers, flathead screwdrivers, and a multimeter. Before starting the installation, please carefully read the instructions to ensure the circuit breaker's parameters and technical requirements match the predetermined working conditions and select a suitable installation location. The technique to installation is to start by aligning the bottom of the circuit breaker with the lower edge of the ding rail. Then, gently push it up to the upper edge, making sure that the circuit breaker is properly secured in the rail. To remove the circuit breaker, gently push on the bottom of the breaker, then lift the top to separate it from the rail. Before the wiring process starts, choose wires with the appropriate cross-sectional area based on the product's current rating. Then use a wire stripper to carefully strip off 11 to 13 mm outer insulation of the copper wire to expose a suitable length of the wire. Next, use a crimping tool to firmly crimp the wire lugs onto the copper wire ends to ensure the reliability of the connection. Finally, it is recommended to use an electric screwdriver that has a set torque value to tighten the wires. This is important because it ensures that the connection is stable and safe. Please follow the installation instructions and the product's physical labeling to correctly connect the incoming line and outgoing line ends. The incoming line end should be connected to the power line, and the outgoing line end should be connected to the load. When connecting the NXBLE-63 to the terminal box, it is essential to strictly follow the electrical wiring diagram to ensure every connection point is correctly and securely made. During the wiring process, always comply with local electrical regulations and standards. Before powering up, check that the handle operation is smooth and unobstructed. After powering on, use a multimeter to perform continuity testing on the circuit breaker to verify its normal operation. When the circuit breaker is open, incoming line to neutral voltage is about 230 volts, outgoing line to neutral voltage is below 20 volts. When closed, outgoing line to neutral voltage is about 230 volts, it drops below 20 volts when the circuit breaker is open again. Pressing the residual current device test button automatically trips the circuit breaker. If you encounter any problem, please refer to the troubleshooting guide. We provide diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults, including failure to close or frequent tripping of the circuit breaker. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.